After we have addressed all devices on the loop, we open the Fire Alarm Panel FP9000A-2 settings. This requires a password, which is 333333. The access level changes from 1 to 3. And we select the corresponding loop on which we addressed the device. This is the second loop. We select it, activate the loop, confirm, activate the initialization, and enter the initialization menu. All devices already have an address, so we enter the number of addresses we have. This loop has 6 addresses. We confirm with enter and the fire alarm panel starts to search for them and count them automatically. There, the fire alarm panel found 6 addresses. With that, the work of addressing and viewing the device on this loop is complete. We select the next loop on which we addressed the device. Again, we activate it, confirm with enter, again we activate the addressing and confirm. We enter. Here we have 5 devices that have been addressed, so we enter 5 and wait for the fire alarm panel to find them. The fire alarm panel found them, after which we can safely exit to access level 1. We wait for the fire alarm panel to reset. At the moment, loops 2 and 3 of the fire alarm panel are operational. Any device that goes offline will show which address is currently removed. This is the addressing that is performed with the help of the addressable programmer. Semi-automatic addressing.